are going to do our Liberty Bell block. This one was actually the second one after Betsy Ross that came to my mind, is that I wanted to do one with a Liberty Bell. This little boy's ringing the bell. It's got its crack in it. And I love the textures on this one, the brick and the wood grain. Let's take a closer look. On Let Freedom Ring, I cannot, as soon as I say the name of this one, the song goes through my head. Let's see, some of the fun features on this one are that you get to use stem stitches to make the wood grain on the structure that holds the bell on here, and also this flat braid to make the banner. If you've not used flat braid before, I'll link up a video below where you can see how to do the flat braid on that one. Now, when it comes time to do all of this brickwork, I picked a color that I felt like gave us enough contrast that we would be able to see it. So that's why in some places it's lighter, some places it's more reddish. And then when I put it together, it's just blanket stitches, except there's really only kind of 1.5 in every spot. But sometimes the blanket stitches will wave a little bit, and on this one, I wanted them to be a little bit more accurate. So I went back afterwards. Can you see how with this thin line, I tacked down all of those little spots so that they would stay a little bit more straight. So that's an option you have if you want to make them look more straight when you're finishing them up. When you look at this and their face kind of goes in, it's because it's not as thick there and it has a little bit of gap, but as soon as it gets quilted, that will pop right out. Okay, so we talked about the wood grain. Now these are really long bullion knots. Again, you can substitute a chain stitch for a bullion knot. They're about the same thickness. On these, I used my bullion knot needles and just wrapped and squished and wrapped and squished to get them like that. Let's see. Our cat, his hair is a blanket stitch. And to mark, I liked his having a little bit dark to separate the different sections on his clothes. Okay, so that is Let Freedom Ring.